Let's see what 1 ounce, which is 2 tablespoons of whole milk, does with your glucose in coffee. This is just a Keurig cup of medium roast coffee and nothing else, just milk.
Alright, so let's tackle through my Stello app and see where I had my coffee. Here we go. So you can see at the time I had coffee, I was at 75 milligrams per deciliter. And 2 hours later, surprisingly, it's 105 milligrams per deciliter. So quite a increase of about 30 milligrams. Um, this is shocking. It was whole milk, and I know whole milk does have some sugars, but it was only 2 tablespoons and 1 ounce. Um, so, yeah, this is something I'll be cautious of as I want to keep my glucose from spiking as little as possible in the future. So maybe I'll reduce that. Who knows? But hopefully, this is good information for you guys. Thanks. Tune in to watch for more requests as I eat or drink foods and monitor the glucose levels. All right, bye.